Hello my lovelies, welcome back. If you are new here, I'm Maria from Maria Custo Designs and I'm really glad you find my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you another haul, but it's gonna be different because I went to a cheddar cardboard sale and it was fantastic. The cheddar cardboard sale, it's a bit far away from where I live, but it's worth going. It's on every Sunday morning, but the earlier you go, the better the chance that you find treasures. I only spent £10, but I've got some really good deals, so let's get started. Okay, let's start with the first one. So, if you already know a few designers, you know that Vervaco is a really old company. I'm not quite sure when this was made. But it says it's from Belgium. And this one particularly, it's called Vintage in Rome. And it's brand new. And I've got it for £2. Everything is in it. So all the floss, the chart, everything, and it's brand new, never been opened. £2. That's such a good deal. And this is a big one too, so it's 11 and 10 inches, so 11 by 10. The other two, what I've got, it's another really good one. Lavender and lace. Both of them are brand new. Okay, so this one is called Angel of Christmas, and this one is called Celtic Spring. These are gorgeous. So if you know lavender and lace, they are all, well, most of the time, 90% of the time, they are only selling the pattern, but these are really expensive to get, and I think it's quite hard as well. So this one, whoever bought it, it was £11 back then. I've got it £1 each. Amazing deal. And these are huge. So it doesn't actually it does say, so the area is 11 by 17 inches. So it's really for the spring one. And this one is 13 by 16. They are amazing. So all these 4 patterns are for £4. Okay, the next one, it's really special. I never seen anything like it. It must be really old, but it doesn't say when. Brand new, never been used. I think it's this way. It's a Stitch and Mark bookmark, but it's with a gorgeous lace design on the side and the little bow. And it says that this is 18 cantida, so it's quite small, so you can fit lots of things in it. And it's brand new. So this must be a really old one as well by the look of it, and because you don't really see bookmarks like this anymore. I have to find out what I'm gonna make with this. This was, I think, only a few p because I got it in a pack. I got this one with it. I never used it, but I'm gonna find out what is it. So Jane Greenough, I got some books from her. She's like a, I don't know, 50s or 60s designer, so a really famous one. And these are paper, so we'll find out how to use it. Okay, it says it's 14 count and it's 8 by 11 inches. And it looks like this, almost like fabric but with paper. So if you know how to use it, or you got any ideas what I can use it for, just let me know. And as you can see, brand new. And there is 2 in it, 2 sheets. There's another one I got from this seller. So these are people who have like stash but they don't want to use it, or they got it as a gift but they don't need it, or they have lots of things and they are coming out and just sell it for really cheap. So if you got any cardboard sale nearby you, it's worth a try to go, because you can really find treasures. Now this one is brand new as well. This was sold, I don't know from which shop, for almost £13. Okay, this one is the margam cross. It's black work embroidery. Black work is a type where you only use back stitches, so you don't need crosses, you only use back stitch. So it's a lot of work, but it looks really nice. And I don't know if you can see, there is like a gorgeous almost like cold gold with cool gold color thread. It says 14 count Aida, DMC silk. Oh, so this one is silk. That's really good. Metallic thread, needle, chart and full instructions, and the size is 6 by 9 inches. Brand new. Even if you don't want to do the same design, you can still use everything in it. And what else I got from this? Oh, this one. It's a canted cross stitch kit. It's like pillowcase. I think it's a pillowcase because both of the parts are in. It's from a museum, looks like. William Morris Museum. And it's beautiful. So it says that made in England. It show you how to do cross stitches, half stitches, back stitch, French knots. So 14 count Aida, and the size is 15 by 15 inches, so it's quite big. It's a nice pillow. And I opened it because I wanted to see, so it was brand new as well. You wanted to see how it looks like, and it has this kind of fabric as a backing for the for the pillow. So if I don't want to do this design, I can still do my own, but the case is gonna be the same, so I can make my own pillowcase with my design or whichever I like. So, and these are I think these were £3 altogether, so it was really cheap. I shopped from two more other person, but I'm not sure how much was each, but the total everything I know I spent £10. So I've got lots and lots of fabric now. This one is really interesting. I'm not sure, I think it's more than 20 counts, or maybe even weave. I'm not quite sure because it's really tiny, and there is like a nice detail on both sides, and it's quite a lot. I was thinking that I can maybe put some on one of my dresses, like maybe on the bottom of the skirt, and just stitch something like a border on the side, or some flowers all around it. I have so many ideas what I can do with it, but you're gonna come along with me. If I'm doing anything, I'm gonna show you. Okay, I got some black fabric which I really like actually. This one is 14 count and 12 by 18 inches, and as you can see, brand new in the bag. I'm not sure how much was it, but yeah, 14 count, what I use most of the time in Aida, or 28 count even wave. So these are the two I'm using. Okay, I've got another one. This is even wave. It's kind of like a light cream, light brownish color, and it's big. Yeah. So I'm not sure, I've got so many ideas, I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with this yet, because the colors are different. The next one, what I've got, is this. Brand new as well. It's a knitable fabric, Swigart, and it's a 25 count. The size is 27 by 19 inches, and it's really long. So I think it could be like maybe a small table runner. You know, where you have a small table, not like a proper one, and you can use it. And yeah, brand new DMC, and it's really nice. Now the next one, which one should I show you? Okay, I got some colors. Now, the first one is red. These were pieces, so this one was cut, but still there is lots of use left. These are, all of them are 14 count Ida, and this is bigger and much wider. So this one could be, because of the size, a nice Christmas table runner, or just like a table decoration, or the green one, because I've got 2 red and 2 green. Okay, so these are 14 count Ida as well. So the first one is this much, this big, so I can use it for smaller things. And I think this is the long one. Yeah. Okay, so this is the same size as the long red one, so this can be good as a table runner. You just have to secure the sides and maybe put something on the back, and you should be fine. Okay, there are other ones I got. Okay, so there is this one. It's really small. I don't have my wait a second. Yeah. Okay, let's see. So I don't know if you remember, you can check how much is the count. If you check 1 inch, you put it from one hole to another and just count how many holes can you find within 1 inch. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 22 count. So it's really small, and it's like a nice yellowish, maybe cream color. Sorry, it's not the best lighting. This is good because if you have like if you make a card for like Christmas or anything, you can fit on a small piece of this fabric a lot, because the crosses are really small, so you can make more delicate decorations on this one. And I got another one. This is really soft. I think this one is even wave, if I'm correct, and this is like this one. So they are still huge, they are used, but that's a lot of fabric, so I'm not sure what I can do with all of them, but you can never have enough fabric. So it's like you are collecting the cross-stitch patterns, and you are collecting fabrics, and you are stitching. So those are 2 different things. And oh, there's 2 more. Wait a second. Okay, so there is one of these. This one is like almost like grayish brownish light gray, light brown color. It's really nice, strong woven one, and quite a big size. But because this is stronger, like not as thin as the other ones. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna use it for, but I'm pretty sure there is something we can do with it. And the biggest one I've got, this is huge. So as you can see, it's the full size, and look at this color. This is gorgeous. So it's like a spotty one. So not a nice clean, but it is clean, but not just one color. So it's really good background for like old parchment paper or anything neutral. But this is huge, and this is really soft as well. And because the holes are really small, you can fit a lot in here. Or you can use it as a 14 count tider, so you just do double the stitches. So instead of 1 by 1, you do 2 by 2. So it's double the size, but it still looks really nice on this one. So you can make much more detail with it. So all of these for £10. Have you ever been to a car boot sale and find lots of different treasures, what you were looking for, or what you were not looking for, but you find it? Because every time I go there is always something I really need. And these were the best deals so far what I've got, because we went there for like quite a few times now. Usually we go every 2-3 months, like once 2-3 months, and there is always something, and they are really cheap and good quality. And it's a huge market, so you can go around in the rows like for 2 hours minimum, because there are so many vendors, not just vendors but normal person as well who just wants to sell things what they don't need, and you can find really good deals. So what do you think? Which one was the best deal I've got? The patterns, the pillow, or the cloths, the fabric? Which one? Because I think all of them are great. The word of the day is fabric. So if you reach until here, please let me know in the comments below. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the bell button so you can be notified when I'm going to upload my next video. I've got a few in line, so if you have any suggestion what would you like to see, or any tricks or anything about design side, how to design, just give me an idea and I'm gonna make it. And until next time, happy stitching. Bye.